Giêsu gerteng trong mi kabatiang ta Giêsu misno yang abangayan.
We remember St. Augustine and his famous words, "O beauty, ever ancient, ever new, how late have I known you, and my heart is restless until it rests in you." My dear young people, you're looking for peace, you're looking for joy, you're looking for meaning. You cannot find it anywhere, not in money, not in prestige, not in power, not in popularity. You can only find the meaning, the joy that you're looking for in the Lord. Look at the life of St. Augustine, and may St. Augustine help you to discover what really matters, the Lord.